Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to download and install APK files from GitHub. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you want to download APK files directly via the GitHub links, then we can do that easily. But if you are new to this, then the interface might be a bit confusing. Developers prefer to share their app files on GitHub because they can instantly share app updates, and we can also check the source code directly. I'll share the steps for this with local send app as an example. This is a popular open source local file sharing app. We can directly go to their website and we will find the GitHub link here. We just have to select this and it will open their GitHub profile. So here we have to scroll down. We can go to the end directly, and here we will have this releases section. Select that, and here we have to go to their assets. We can see here. So here we can see all the Android APK files. We just have to go to the latest version. We will go with ARM64V8 since this is the one we use for modern smartphones. So we just have to select this and we will get a pop-up. Here we can find the version name. We can see that here. So we can finalize this and we can start to download this. We can also find other packages for Windows and macOS here. So we just have to find the latest one for Android and we can confirm this. We can select download anyway. That's all. It will start to download. So as you can see, we have successfully downloaded the APK file from the GitHub profile. We'll share another example for this. We can go to this Aegis Authenticator website. This is another well-known open source authenticator app. If we go to their website, we will have this check out the source code option. We can select this and it will open the GitHub profile. So here again we have to go to the very end, and then if we go up, we will have the releases section. Select that. We can go to their assets and we can download the latest version. We can confirm this. Download anyway. That's all. Now to install this app on our Android smartphone, for example, if we want to install the local send app, we just have to select the file we downloaded and we will get this pop-up. Do you want to install this app? Select install. It will start to install. App installed. That's all. Sometimes our device will warn us about downloading the apps from the internet or unknown sources. Since we downloaded this from a reliable source, we can allow this and we can just open the file now. So that's all. Sometimes some applications might need special permissions. In such cases, we can go to the app and then we can go to app info, and here we can go to permissions and we can allow the permissions we want. But again, we have to do this only if we trust the app and the app source. We can also go to our phone settings, search for unknown sources, and we can go to this installation sources and we can enable the place. For example, if you are downloading this from Chrome, we can enable this. So we can keep this in mind. These are the steps to download and install APK files from GitHub. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.